How to turn on dark mode on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down, or you can either just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply type dark mode and simply tap on it. And now here, once you're inside the dark mode section, then you can simply select on option to activate the dark mode on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.